What is the nature of reality beyond the five senses?
If I told you, you may get very uncomfortable. I'll try to give you some very simple, basic information. There is no part of you other than your body which is physical. It's all representing physical. Basically, you're a big, big ball of energy. Have you seen an engine? What does an engine do? All that metal which is put together, what is the purpose of putting all those parts together? Have you seen it, observed it properly? What's the function of all that mass of engine? Its only purpose is to transform one kind of energy into another kind of energy and then direct that energy in a certain way. That's the whole purpose of putting all that metal together. That engine is your body and that energy is you. Now all of that metal in that engine has nothing to do with that energy. Its purpose is only to direct the energy. Only to direct the energy. If that energy somehow by accident faces towards the engine, it's going to blow up the engine into 1,000 pieces. That's how you are and your body. You are a ball of energy moving in this engine which you can call the body. You don't need ears to listen, eyes to see, nose to smell, skin to feel, and tongue to speak. It is just directing it, just like the engine. So if you start to believe that you are the engine, I'm sorry to say then you are a very dumb energy. Because just like the engine, it is made sure that the energy does not direct itself towards the engine. Otherwise it will explode the engine. That's why you drink water. To keep the engine cool, so that the energy can live in it. You shouldn't have asked me about the reality, because the reality is very different than what you perceive with your five senses. Your heart is an energy living in the physical heart. Your liver is another energy living in your physical liver. Your nervous system is a completely unique energy living in your physical nervous system. Your mind is a combination of male and female. That's the reason you talk to yourself in your mind. Because actually your mind is two. One is speaking and one is listening. You are not one, you are many. That's why when you look at the cosmos, you think there are many gods, because you're only looking at yourself. When the real one in you wakes up, he only sees one God. When you become singular, all you will perceive is singularity. There is nothing in the cosmos other than one God.